Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, here you can see I am facing the problem that not showing stories on my Facebook account, and when you click on friends, so here you can see I have facing an error, can't connect, and when I am tapping to retry, then here you can see not opening anything, and after this click on video watch tab, so I have not seen anything in this tab too. Now I am clicking on menu, so here is the same thing. So how can we fix it? So in this video I'll help you to fix all of these problems. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, open your settings and click on apps and notifications. Click here, and after this see all 93 apps and scroll down and find Facebook. So click on Facebook and click on storage and cache and clear cache. So after doing this, go back and open your Facebook app. If the settings of your mobile is different from my mobile settings, then I'll tell you shortcut. So click and hold on your Facebook app and click on app info. You can see the same interface. Click on storage and cache and clear cache. So after clear cache, open your Facebook app and check that. So here you can see I am facing the problem like before. So I am not seeing the stories and watch tab and friends also. So now I am telling you the 100% working method. So you need to click on settings and click on network and internet. So click on Wi-Fi. So here you can see my Wi-Fi is proper connected. Go back and click on network management. Click here and click on Wi-Fi because I am using Wi-Fi right now. And here you need to find Facebook. So here you can see this is Facebook and you need to check this app. So check it. So here you can see now this app is checked by me, and after this go back and open your Facebook app again. So now you can see my Facebook is fine, and I can see the stories and click on friends. So now I am seeing friends list and also watch tab. This is the 100% working solution. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.